Hello, everybody. Hope you had a good trading day today. It was kind of a wild one with that overnight push down like 400 points, and then good recovery from the Nasdaq and ES today. So we can talk about some of the trades I tried to take today and what we got looking forward to for the rest of the week and into tomorrow. We can start off here with ES. So obviously we try to push down through this weekly envelope with the extension core right there. Got the extended flash a little bit. So I wouldn't be surprised to see it try to range up a little bit more, but I'm kind of still expecting chop. I think that it's just kind of in the cross current, and you look over at the monthly, yeah, it kind of bounced off this reaction support line right here, and you got the congestion a little bit this below you, but I wouldn't be surprised to see the monthly try to put in a top. Looks like there's a lot of resistance ahead of us up here, so I wouldn't be surprised if this is the top, maybe. I might try to grind a little higher and then get shot back down. I mean, I think it might be trying to go for congestion entrance down possibly. So definitely something to look out for the rest of the week. I think the bullish sentiment is not as prevalent as like it was past couple weeks. Like you can see, you just been able to buy the dips, buy the dips, buy the dips, and been okay. I don't know if that's gonna be the case here looking forward into September. So we will see. Going in tomorrow, I wouldn't be surprised to see, like I said, try to push up here to maybe middle of the envelope. Try to maybe go top, but see it maybe get shot down. You have this extension DML inside the envelope, so we might get a live pocket form. Once this closes, if it pushes up into this, we might get a little pocket formed in there for a good short. So who knows? We will see. Market closed about 10 minutes, so we'll see that kind of form once it opens here. NQ is the same. This is a beautiful trade that I try to get into with my extension plays. So usually I'll take extension DMLs right here, which are the pink ones, and I'll take those when they are far away from the envelope. So that means that the Nasdaq ES, whatever symbol I'm trading, is overbought or oversold, and it needs to give some back to get back to the envelope. So today was pretty much a textbook example of all stars aligning for me to take a trade. I had two limit orders that I placed, and I missed the first one by 12 points. I missed the next one by 10 or so. Like, it was unfortunate, and both those ripped up for, I would have got filled at 2,300 or 23,000 and made 370 points. So obviously that hurts a little bit, but not gonna harp on it. I mean, that's how trading goes, and you can't get them all. And most important thing is I was on the right side of the market. I followed my plan, and if I continue doing that, I know good trades will come, and I have good odds to make money and continue to get some payouts here. So even though I could have made a lot of money today, and I made none, I'm just not gonna shoot myself down on it a little more. I mean, I'm happy with how I approached today. I didn't force anything. Orders didn't get filled, it just didn't go my way today, and that's how it goes. Is what it is. But I think NQ is gonna be probably around the same as ES. Gonna close above this. Got a nice little pocket on the weekly, so might be able to drive it up, but got a lot of resistance up here. I got a resistance flash getting put in. If it breaks through this, it might try to go up there, but I'm kind of seeing a top. It might try to go congestion entrance down, so kind of be on the lookout for that. I think the same applies for YM and the Russell. Going to gold. Gold had a monster day today. It's putting in a 2-bar push on the weekly, so we might be try to be gunning for this extension DML. I have an alert there ready for it, so if I get a signal on my Sierra charts, I will be taking that. Monthly DML is a little bit ahead of that. We'll keep that in mind if it has a little more steam left in that. So, yeah, I would be bullish on gold. Same thing goes for silver here. If we're gonna close above this, I have my alert set already. I got extension DML, daily true average right there, core DML or the reaction support line right there. And if you pay attention to this stuff, you can see the reaction line in the middle is getting tighter to the top of the envelope, and the gap between each of them is getting longer. So that means the trend upwards is very strong, and I would not be shorting this market at all. So definitely looking forward to maybe looking for some longs here. Definitely into this monthly. We'll see what that does. That might shoot it down a little bit, but we'll see how that reacts to it. We also have the quarterly DML over there, right above it too. So, selling might try to step in, but I wouldn't be playing it. I would not be playing the shorts here. So go over to bonds. Bonds had a good extension reversal day today. If I wasn't watching the Nasdaq trying to get those order fills, then I would have probably taken this. I mean, this is a beautiful trade. Kind of the same situation as the Nasdaq. You had the weekly extension DML lined up right here. Daily extension DML lined up right here. Got the reaction support line went down right in there. Kind of just lined up for a perfect, like, hey, price is probably gonna get bought up right here. It's too oversold. Yeah, if I had an alert set and I wasn't watching Nasdaq, that would have been a beautiful trade to take today. But yep, I would expect bonds to continue to get maybe shot down a little bit. I know it's at its weekly, so I might try to grind a little higher. Same thing as indices. Try to grind a little higher, get shot down. But yeah, we'll see how this next week goes out. I would not be as bullish I was the past month, but definitely something to look out for. Let's go over to Sierra charts, and you guys can see what I was trying to get into. So on Sierra, the weekly extension DML was 23,000. We didn't get there. We barely missed it. That's why I had my limit order placed right there. I was ready for it to it had a lot of steam. I was ready for it to keep pushing all the way down there. Went down, basically bottom wicked like at 23, and pushed right back up. Didn't really give me a chance to get back in. I mean, it pushed back down and then rifled up, and then I tried to get in the same spot. So, I mean, I probably could trade a little better there, but you know, it is what it is. That's just how it goes sometimes. So, this was the first push it made when I tried to get long. Had my order filled like pretty much right at this DML. Pushed up 270 points. Beautiful little push. I definitely would have taken my money there. Would not let that ride. I'm taking my coin. I try to get long again down here. Pretty much at the same spot. I should have played the range here. It's at the bottom of the range. This is what this white line is. It's showing the range of the trading day. So I probably should have just played that. But you know, it is what it is. There's probably many more trades to come the rest of the week. Definitely be looking for more extension plays, but today was a beautiful example. If you're using Vol Pro Edge, to look out for extension plays. When you have the weekly and the daily lined up like that, and you get a nice hard push overnight, like really no buying bought this up at all. I mean, and it pushed right down into those extension DMLs. That's when you'll see sellers finally start to step in and say, okay, selling's enough. We're gonna step in here and try to drive some price back up. So beautiful extension plays today. Just didn't get filled. It is what it is. Hope everybody has a good trading day the rest of the week, and looking forward to it. All right, see ya.